no grip. In fact, there's a nice hill climb. Unbelievable! Oh, it's sick. That's the first time I've ever done that. Get 62 thread sprocket on there by JXR as well. Get JXR pegs. They're great by 50 euros, I think it was, shipped to China. Aluminium heatsink here by EvFreaks. And then of course the 63 amp hour 60 volt battery. Handlebars, got a nice wee 10mm riser here, or a direct mount Nukeproof stem. Pro taper grips. We've got Hope brakes, as you know. And then my custom wee bracket here I made for my headlights. Oh, it's really carry on his push. Right, still kind of do it. Anyway, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Oh. You squeezed by here, were it? But he's on a wee bike or? Aye, I just seen him going down a hill there. Like I was saying, welcome back, another video, Friday evening, Friday afternoon, after work. So good to get back out the bike. This thing is rapid, absolutely insane. Oh, hope you guys have had a brilliant week. Oh, 4 days at work, 1 day at home. Starting to become the new norm, which is awesome. Oh my god, that huge thing just throws you about. But yeah, stiff shock. It's just not feeling right. Oh, feels as if it's about to start raining, even though the temperature's still 26 degrees here in Scotland. Absolutely glorious the last couple of weeks. Oh, where are we going to go? What are we going to do? Down the way, up the way, I'm thinking down, I think I've already made my mind. Oh, squeaky brakes. Definitely in the market for a new set of pads. Oh, usual trails. Need to wait until I get my van fixed, then we'll go further afield. Oh, remember and close your gates. Oh my god, I just can't do it. Nice and easy. One day I'll speed up and jump. Disappeared too. That's what I want to know. As soon as you come out the bike, sun disappears by the clouds. You know what, I think we'll try DunRod Hill. see if we can make it up the side of this hill. The last couple of times I've been trying it, I've just been sliding all over the place. It's just no grip. In fact, there's a nice hill climb. Unbelievable! Oh, it's sick. That's the first time I've ever done that. Brilliant. I mean, the practice probably wheelies a bit here, but it's a bit bumpy, lumpy and bumpy. Nope. Let's get over to the edge, give you guys a view. This way. Oh, it's a big hole. Oh, I thought the bike was going to disappear. Oh yes, look at that. Stunning view. I just love coming up here. Absolutely amazing. The wee sprinkles of sunlight just coming through the clouds. Big rain clouds. Oh dear. Right, let's see if we can navigate up and round DunRod Hill. Oh my god, I need to use a front suspension. Oh. But trying to find a set of box 40s is just unbelievable. Same as bombers. Oh. I mean, I would settle for a set of DBO emeralds, but they're green. I don't want them to be green. I would rather get a set of the Cozy bombers with a nice red section at the bottom. Oh, that jumping that there. These wee bike lines are nothing nowadays. The extra power that's coming on this bike. Unbelievable. Oh. Some view, you can just see a rain off in the distance. Let's see if we can make our way down safely for a change. But before that, let's nip down here and we'll get a quick view over the edge. I'm forgetting I've not actually got a kickstand on my bike, so I can't really jump off and get a picture. Looks nice and empty in the car park. Oh, such an amazing view, I love it. Absolutely love it. Just the thought of getting it straight after work. I'm 15 minutes from my house. Brilliant. But as usual, what we'll do is I'll nip round the corner first before I head down the bike, just to have a wee quick glance to see if anybody's coming up. Because this wee trail is like a single path, really sketchy. I mean, we're navigating down the side of one of the biggest hills around here. One of the days I'm going to ditch a bike here, turn off, have a quick gander round the corner. I don't see anybody coming up the trail. That looks nice and clean, nice and clear, not a soul on it. And then after this we'll nip down, grab a coffee, hopefully. We'll see how everything is. Maybe turn the bike on. Full booner, level 3. Oh dear God, I can hear the thunder. Let's hope we make it to the coffee shop before the rain kicks in. Oh, this wee bit's so sketch. Oh, one wrong peg move. One wrong peg move and that's you're coming off. Like I said, it's just a wee single track walking path. So good. I just wish there was maybe a mountain bike flow track. Run a bit here. Oh, the crap. Something definitely rattling about on the bike. And it's not me. Right, turn the camera off and I'll get us over. Oh, in fact, I'll leave it on. I'll show you my process. Lift the back brake. Lift with the wheel. Up and over. There you go. 2 seconds. Oh. Sweating buckets though. Right, coffee time. Big thunderstorm came and washed us all out. Oh, we're heading back up into a rain cloud now. I had to sit in the car here for about 45 minutes waiting for that storm passing. Oh, it was absolutely bucketing down. John, the midges are out and it was horrible. God, I don't like the look of them clouds. Oh dear. I don't know, man. We'll go that way, we're going to get soaked. Level 2, let's see how the power is. Can't do the wheelies. Oh, I think I just got a midget. Oh, I can't wait on this one. Oh, come on. I'm just trying to put my leg down. I just don't trust myself yet. Maybe it'd be better coming up a hill. That was not bad. Oh, Jesus. I'm not popping enough. I don't think it's got enough power. Level 2. Yep. Never let go of the bike, yeah. Oh. Guys, so knackered. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Oh, I do apologise I've not uploaded any content for months, probably about 10 months I think it was the last video. But as you know, everybody knows, life gets in the way. I'm getting old, 46 now. So I had injured my back there for a couple of months. But it's so nice to be back out. It's so nice. Oh, and I can't compliment this bike enough. So good. But guys, like I said, thank you very much for checking out my video. Oh, hopefully there's more to come. And as always, like, subscribe, etc. You guys take it easy, have a nice weekend, alright? Thanks.